5 Best User Reviews of the NuPhy Halo65 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard with PBT Keycaps. 65% RGB Hot Swap Wireless Keyboard. Supports Bluetooth, 2.4G and wired connection. Compatible with Mac and Windows Black. Rose Glacier Switch. The Halo65 Gaming Keyboard supports both Mac and Windows dual system mode and can connect up to 4 devices, making it easy to meet both productivity and gaming needs. Real users share their experience. Number 5. This is amazing. Honor. 5-star. If you're looking for a keyboard that makes your stomach go butterflies, that is the one. I fell in love in the moment I got it. The spacebar sounds UFFFFFFFF. Honor. Number 1. Some keys don't work. Sans. 1 star. I was very excited about this keyboard at the beginning. When I received the keyboard, it was easy to set up. However, some keys don't work, which makes the keyboard useless. Not happy with the purchase. Sans. Number 4. A fantastic 65% mechanical keyboard for your Mac. Gerald Bertram. 4-star. The build quality of this keyboard is just top-notch. It is an aluminum frame on top of a plastic base, and it's quite heavy with a deep thonky sound. The baby kangaroo switch version I have has a slight tactile bump to is. Maybe a bit less than a brown. Sounds is quite good, and I can only assume these are factory lubed as I don't feel any scratch on the switches at all. Gerald Bertram. Number 3. Almost perfect but major oversights. Brian. 3-star. This is one of, if not the best feeling and sounding keyboards I have ever put my hands on, but there are flaws with the 65. The binds are complicated at first, making me double check the guide constantly. Brian. Number 5. Awesome keyb out of the box. Leo. 5-star. Over the last couple of months I've tried numerous mechanical keyboards and none of them hold a candle to the out-of-the-box, stock, experience of the Halo65. It's solidly built, with strong RGB and a great typing angle. You'll be hard-pressed to find similar value out of the box from other keyboards. Leo. To read all the reviews, click the link in the description below.